Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia. And today, this is what's jumping in my pot. We're going to visit the Corner Takeout again. And we're going to make General Tso's chicken. These are the ingredients I'm going to use to make the chicken with. Cornstarch, salt, white pepper, low sodium soy sauce, sesame oil, and Chinese cooking wine. These are the ingredients I'm going to use for the marinade of the chicken. I have a bowl here with chicken thighs I cubed up. You can use chicken breast if you like also. And also this is all-purpose flour I have here in the bowl. I already added the cornstarch to it, and we're going to add some salt to the bowl and white pepper. Here, we mix this up. And we set this to the side. This is for the frying of the chicken. And I have already added the soy sauce, the sesame oil, the white pepper, and the salt, and the cooking wine to the chicken. And I have here, we're in a wok, heating up with oil in it. And now let's get to the next step. We're going to coat the chicken in the flour. Now that the oil have gotten hot enough, we're going to add the chicken to the oil. We're going to fry them on each side for about 3 minutes or until golden brown. We don't want to crowd the pan too much because this would steam the chicken. It wouldn't get nice and crunchy. Well, let's check and see if the chicken has cooked enough to flip it to the next side. Yes, it is. Ready to be flipped. And after it cooks on this side, we put them on the cooking rack. See, they all flipped over. Now we're going to let them cook on this side until they get golden brown. Now that the chicken has fried, this is it. And now I'm going to let you know what the ingredients are for the sauce. Cornstarch, rice wine vinegar, low sodium soy sauce, honey, oyster sauce, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, scallions, granulated white sugar. I have here, I already grated fresh ginger and chopped fresh garlic. And these are the dried chili peppers. And I also have hot chili oil. Now let's make the sauce. The low sodium soy sauce, the dark soy sauce, the oyster sauce, sesame oil, Chinese cooking wine, the sugar, and we mix all of this up together. Now, we're going to turn the wok on medium-high, and we're going to add the hot chili oil to it. We add the garlic and the ginger to the pan. We're going to let this saute up together for about 30 seconds. Oh yes, I almost forgot the honey. We gotta add the honey to the sauce. You see? We mix everything up. Okay, now we add the chili, dried chili to the pan. We saute this up. I have here the cornstarch, and I'm going to add some cold water to it to make the cornstarch slurry. We're going to add it to the sauce to thicken up the mixture. Now I think it's ready to add the sauce to the wok. We let this saute on low until it comes to a syrupy consistency. Okay, I think it's time now to add some cornstarch to the mixture to thicken it up. We add a little at a time, and if you need more, you add more. I think that's enough of the cornstarch slurry. Now we add the chicken back to the wok. And also, we add the green onions, or well, however you say it, scallions. Now we mix all of this to coat the chicken with the sauce. Look how it's jumping in the pot. Look how the sauce jumping on the chicken. Well, I've finished plating it up. Here you have it. Corner Takeout General Tso's chicken. I served it with jasmine rice. You can serve it with any steamed rice you choose. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.